Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. This is Mother Eagle, and today I wanted to ask you, are you the best kept secret in town? Last week, I was chatting with some friends, and we discovered, hi, Christina, welcome. We discovered that. She has all these gifts and talents, but it's only us who knew about it. She was doing her thing in the secrecy of her home. Then it reminded me of all the gifts and talents we've got and how small we play, or what causes you to be the best secret in town? What causes you to play so small? Usually it's fear, lack of self-confidence, and with things like that, they can be overcome. Remember, your gifting is rich. It has so much embedded in it. It has your abundance. It has your health. It has your fulfillment. So sharing your gift, developing your gift is crucial. It's like the number one priority of all priorities. And sharing it to the masses. Supposing if you're a good cook, plan a way to cook for masses. Plan a way to teach others how to cook and share your recipes. You will get fulfilled. You'll find your financial abundance in that gift. You'll find your health, even your maybe significant other, because the gift itself attracts all these other things that you need. I say all this from personal experience. The more I share what I know, the more abundance flows. So this is not magic or anything. It's just the way life works. So number one, refuse to be the best secret in town. Whatever you're doing right now, multiply it by 10 in terms of volume. Yes, I know you may have maybe a goal for your gift to do it this small. Increase that times 10. Then maybe in 3 months, increase that times 10 again, because you need to expand and stand in the confidence of the gift. Your gift is very relevant. No one can disqualify that you have uniqueness. You are a unique individual, and whatever you're doing, you do it uniquely. So you don't have to worry about that. Well, anyway, today that is my only lesson, is to encourage you to step out big. Whatever you're doing, multiply it by 10, allow expansion. Don't apologize for going bigger and going stronger. You don't ask for permission to be great. You just go, then apologize later when people find out. But we don't want you to be the best secret in town. Anyway, this is Mother Eagle. As always, I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Christina, and some other people. Bye.